Hello again, Dan DiLisio here from Naples Used Boats and Yachts. On the water again in Naples Bay, offering you another beautiful boat for sale. Here we have a 2017 Key West. It's the 239 FS. FS meaning forward seating. It's a great family boat that's set up for fishing. It's got a lot of nice amenities on it. Starting at the bow, you have your anchor locker. You have a full set of bow cushions with some seat backrest. Now all these cushions and backrests are easily removable. In the floor, there's an in-deck fish box, which has a onboard macerator pump to empty it out. A cooler seat, which can be used as a cooler in front of the console. Nice combing bolsters all the way around. Here's your helm seat with the flip bottoms. Across the back is a three-piece bench seat area, and underneath is a circulating live well and two storage compartments. It's got hydraulic steering. It's powered with a Yamaha 250 4-stroke, which only has 464 hours on it. Yamaha gauges. It's got Lenco trim tabs, a Bluetooth stereo. And here's your 12-inch screen GPS by Garmin. It's an XSV12. All your switches are easily identified. Everything works. It does not have underwater lights, but it does have LED lights in the hardtop. Up in the box here, you have a Garmin VHF. Powder coated T-top, which looks perfect. There's also an enclosed head with a porta potty and storage. I counted 14 total rod holders with this boat, so it's set up for fishing if you want to. Underneath there's gunnel rod storage as well. Very, very clean boat, always kept covered. When not in use, it's in a marina, rack stored. While he's using it, he ties it up at his dock, at his condominium. So it's well preserved, always washed and flushed, detailed. The upholstery is in great shape, no issues. So let's see how she runs. RPMs, and we're showing 37 miles an hour. Sure, it'll reach 40, over 40. We're cruising now at 3,700, and we're at 32 miles an hour. Day in Naples. Come down and enjoy the water. Little boat activity today. No problem at all. RPMs, 42 miles an hour. Should be fast enough for most people. But she handles real well. Running 250, that's for sure. Right on fuel. There's a space for a big cooler if you'd like. Very practical boat. In excellent condition, folks. Saved a lot of money. 2017 Key West 239 FS. For sale at Naples Used Boats and Yachts. I appreciate you watching. If you'd like to become a subscriber, I put videos out every week or so showing our boats that we have down here in Naples for sale, to try to enhance you know, our sales a little bit and show you the actual condition of these boats, so there's no surprises when you come down to see them. And I believe this one's a real gem. You're gonna like it. I forgot to mention that there are also canvas covers for the console and the leaning post. And in addition to that, the owner had custom made a full enclosure that snaps in and slides into tracks and encloses the cockpit area, so you can still run the boat in inclement weather. And those I don't think have ever been used, so we have them stored in the shop. Come see me. My name is DiLisio. I'm available at 239-571-4500, and we'll see you on the water. Thank you.